Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami infinity cube. For this project you will need 48 sticky notes. If you don't have any sticky notes, you can use any other paper of similar size. You will also need tape. To start off, you will first need to make 8 of these mini cubes. I encourage you to take a look at my other video, where I teach you how to make an origami cube in depth. I will link it in the description below. Remember, patience is key, as it will take a while to complete all 8 cubes. Once you have made 8 cubes, group them into pairs. Then, press the 2 cubes and simply tape them together. Next, flip one cube up, so the 2 are stacked. Then, flip the whole thing, so the sticky side of the tape is facing upward. Place the tape there. It should now be like a double-sided hinge. Follow these same steps on the other 3 pairs. Feel free to rewind the video. After that, place the taped pairs in the pattern shown above. 2 pairs placed vertically on the edges, and 2 sandwiched in between, horizontally. Next, flip the 2 horizontal ones on their sides. And just flip the 2 vertical ones over, not on their sides. Then, on one side, gather a group of 4 cubes. Place tape on them horizontally. Do the same thing on the opposite end. Then fold the 2 edges up, as shown. You should notice 2 vertical pieces of tape. Now flip your cube on its side. Take 2 pieces of tape and place them horizontally. Flip your cube on its side twice in the opposite direction. Place your tape as you did before. Now your infinity cube is finally complete. This cube is very fun to fidget and play with, as it goes on forever, hence the name. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new.